Hey everyone, welcome back to Joe Chef TV. Today we're making a classic Korean comfort dish, Spam Kimchi Fried Rice. It's simple, satisfying, and full of flavor. Let's dive in and get cooking. Try to get all the moisture out. Or else it's gonna get really sticky. Okay, I can smell something burning, so this is it. Turn it off. You can add a sunny side up fried egg on top. Korean kimchi fried rice. Very easy and fast to make. And it tastes good too. Now anyone can make this, so you try it as well.
Healthy vibes, a recipe for life. Join our mission, share the